Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can deposit into MetaMask. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, go to the official MetaMask website. And of course, you will have to make sure that your extension is already installed so that you will be able to actually do this. So once you're here, what you will have to do is select the asset and then, of course, click this and choose your desired network, and you will just have to click receive. And what you will have to do is copy the wallet address, and after you've copied the desired wallet address, what you will have to do is open the exchange or wallet you want to send from. And then what you will have to do is basically you will just have to paste your MetaMask address, and then you will have to select the amount, and then of course you will just have to click continue and confirm the network compatibility and fees. And then after that, you will just have to submit a transfer and complete any security verification and wait for the confirmation. And then after that, you will just have to check your MetaMask balance. So it should be right here. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.